Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Now I am going to give review about LG 2021 OLED TVs comparison on LG C1 versus G1 versus A1. We have looked at the specifications, we have detailed the features, and we have made the best guesses about pricing that we can make. Our LG C1 versus G1 versus A1 comparison has everything you need to make an informed decision. OLED, the mainstream LG C1 OLED and new for 2021, the entry level A series with the budget friendly LG A1 OLED TV. LG 2021 OLED TV is different by design. The newest LG OLED TV aim to correct this category confusion with the more distinct differences between the three pricing tiers that OLED models fall into. Watch here, I will mention the G1, C1 and A1 versus comparison of screen sizes, design and pricing. At the top is premium LG G1 OLED, which uses LG's gallery design for a distinctive look and easy wall mounting, measuring just 20 mm thick and utilizing the flush fit wall mount, complete with the priority mounting hardware that is recessed into the back of the TV. It is the sleekest member of the LG OLED family. The LG C1 OLED utilizes a more traditional TV design with a presidential based LG familiar display as a gloss aesthetic, which takes advantage of the incredibly slim requirements for OLED panel, making for an incredibly slim TV design. It's not only LG's most mainstream set in terms of price and features, it also has the widest range of screen sizes from a compact 48-inch setup into a whopping 83-inch big screen OLED, the largest we have seen without the upgrading to 8K resolution. The G1 OLED by comparison is one of the least sophisticated looking OLED design we have seen. Instead of the stylish pedestal base seen on tests like LG CX and BX OLED, the LG A1 has a feet that attach, putting it much more line with the more affordable models in LG non-OLED lineup. Now I will mention here specifications and features of LG C1 vs G1 vs A1. Watch here. Like I'm mentioning panel type, refresh rate, processor, audio and HDMI ports. LG 2021 OLED TV features. Other features are split between the three OLED models along the similar lines, with the sleek G1 OLED offering the most capability, the value of priced A1 OLED offering the least, and the mainstream C1 OLED sitting between the two like baby bear from Gold Leaks, with a mix of most shoppers will find just right. I will mention here hands-free voice control, Magic Tap remote, ATC 3.10 tuner, AirAC, Dolby Vision, Dolby Atoms. LG 2021 OLED TVs gaming support. Here the I mentioned G1, LG C1 and A1. Here game specification I will mention. Game features. Here LG Gallery G1 OLED TV model number, screen size, price and availability time. I mention here LG C1 OLED TV model number, screen size, price and availability time. LG A1 OLED TV model number, screen size, price and availability time. LG C1 vs G1 vs A1, which one LG OLED TV will be the best? While all three 2021 LG OLED TVs have a lot to offer, from the premium LG G1 OLED to entry level LG A1 OLED, judging by these specification features we know about, it seems clear that LG C1 OLED TV will be the LG 4K OLED model that most shoppers will be prefer. The LG C1 OLED offers the best blend features and the capabilities, from the excellent picture quality OLED to specification of HDMI 2.1 and gaming support. The cheaper LG A1 OLED may be come into more affordable price, but there are real comparison made from the affordability. The more premium LG G1 OLED may be boost some impressive features and cool capabilities.